Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will introduce you one of the best quality and budget friendly dual channel dashcam. The name is DDPAI dual channel dashcam and the model name is N1 Dual. There is a notification for the iOS users, so please do the setting changes accordingly. We can see a small plastic covering on top of that. We'll just remove that. So this is how it looks like once it is removed. This is also a casing. We'll remove it. So it's like this. These are the main items which comes inside the box. The main camera, power adapter, power cable for the main camera, the stand for the main camera, rear camera, power cable for the rear camera, 2 extra stickers and the user guide. Now we will look into the installation part. Now you need to look for a place where you will get maximum visibility and the camera should not block your view while driving. So I found this place with maximum visibility for me, so I'm going to fix the camera here. And it is good to place the camera behind the rear view mirror so that it will not be a problem for you while driving and it will not be visible as well. So I am going to fix the camera here. Now I have fixed the holder here. After that we can connect the camera like this. So it will be like this. The camera will not be much visible as it is behind the rear view mirror. Now we need to lay the cables. The power cable can be laid in this way, from here through here, and it has to come through here, through this side, and should come down, then here, and it will reach here. You can just pull this thing just down and keep the cables inside like this. It can go. All the doors and the boot have these rubber beadings, so you can just pull it down and lay the cables inside. Rear camera also, you need to look for a place where you will get maximum visibility. For me, I have chosen this place, so that will give you the maximum visibility in the rear end. Rear camera cabling can be laid in 2 ways. The first one is through here. The cable will come like this, through here, through here, it will reach here. Second option is through the bottom, so it should come through here and it should go through the bottom. You can choose the options as per your convenience and the length of the cables. We have done the camera installations now. Let's do the application configuration. This is the DDPAI application which is available for Android and iOS. Insert the memory card, turn on the car, make sure that the camera is getting the power. You can see a blue light slowly blinking on the camera. Add new device. no screen dash cam. Next. It will search for the device. You can see the camera here, connection. And the camera is now loaded. You can see few options here. One is capture. So if you click that, you can take pictures of a particular moment. Then you have download option. So here you can select a particular time from where you need to capture the video. So after selecting that particular time, you can click on download. So it will start downloading that video from that particular time till the end time. You have capture option here. So once you click it, then you have to click to check. So here you can see videos, images and emergency. So once you download an image, it will come here. If you are taking screenshots or capture, the pictures will come here. Then there is emergency, which I'll explain later. Now let's go inside the settings and let's see the options. For going inside the settings, you need to click on this particular icon. Speaker volume. You have a slider here. So our camera have a speaker inside. You can increase and decrease that volume of the speaker through this option. You can also switch on or off the speaker tone or volume here. If switching tone is on, you will get a notification while starting the car as well as when you turn off the car. Dashcam installation guidelines. So it will just give you some guidelines for the calibration of the camera during the installation. So once that is done, you can turn it off, that lines. Rear lens rotation and flip. These options we can use it during the installation of rear camera. You can adjust the camera through rotation or flipping the sides. H265 video encoding. By default, it will be in off state. The application itself will give you a notification if your mobile phone is capable of this option. What it does is that if you enable this and your phone is capable, it will give you a high resolution video. Recording resolution. Once you click it, you can see there are two options, 1296p and 1080p. By default, the videos will be recorded at 1296p. So the video file size will be very high, but also the clarity also will be good. But if you have a memory card like 32 GB or 64 GB, you can better keep it to 1080p. Still the clarity will be good and you can preserve some space as well for longer videos. Microphone recording. If you turn this option on, videos will be recorded with the voice enabled. If you turn these options off, then video will be without voice. Date watermark. If this option is enabled, the videos will be recorded with a watermark of date, time and DDPAI logo on that. Duration of videos associated with photo capture. Once you click it, it will go inside. Again, you can see the options 10 second, 20, 30 and off. So once you click capture option, it will create a small video with a duration of this period. Adjust collision sensitivity. Once you click it, you can see two options. One is driving and next one is parking monitoring. In driving, there are multiple levels of sensitivity. So it will also says when all this will get triggered when there is an impact and what kind of a impact. So accordingly you can select these options. Same options are available in parking monitor as well. Please note, it says take photos automatically when the device is working and detecting an impact. That means your camera should be having a power during this situation to capture these events. Automatic shutdown 15 minutes after parking. So there is a note saying suitable for vehicles with cigarette lighter kept power on after engine was cut and the vehicle was locked. This means that there should be a continuous power supply to your cigarette lighter adapter for this function to work. So I have kept it off. Dashcam Wi-Fi name. Once you click it, you can change the name of the device. This means if you are using DDPAI Dashcam in 2 of your vehicles, you can change or update the name accordingly. So it will be easy for you. Dashcam Wi-Fi password. By default, it will be the default password which is updated. So here you can change the password accordingly. Manage Dashcam storage. Once you click it, it will show the storage usage of your memory card. You can also do a format from this option. In the main page, we saw an option as emergency earlier. So what happens is that if there is an impact, so at that time the picture or the video which will be captured will be stored here. Once you go back to the main page, you can see 3 dots at the top of the screen, like here. So once you click it here, you will again get a shortcut for few of the options: speaker volume, collision sensitivity, after parking do not shut down, microphone, and more options. So once you click more options, it will again go to the main settings page. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.